Good morning and happy Sabbath. Our devotional this morning is entitled Under God's Discipline, and our memory text is found in the book of Hebrews, chapter 12, verses 9, 12, and 15. I'll be reading in New International Version. Discipline, according to Merriam-Webster's dictionary, is training that corrects, molds, or perfects the mental faculties or moral character of a person. Godly parents who have done their best to care for and discipline their children receive respect and honor. As Ellen White puts it in the Adventist Home, page 292, children, when they become of age, will prize the parent who labored faithfully and would not permit them to cherish wrong feelings or indulge in evil habits. Do you believe that our Heavenly Father in favor of discipline? I do. He wants us to have the disciplinary experiences of life for the purpose of bringing to maturity the peaceable fruit of righteousness in our lives. See the SDA Bible Commentary, Volume 7, page 485. The mature Christian will not become wearied and faint in his mind when passing through discipline. His hands will not droop and his knees will not falter. Understanding something of the nature and purpose of discipline and having confidence in the wisdom and goodness of his heavenly Father, he will banish resentment, discouragement, and inaction. He will go about his task with courage and confidence, trusting that his present pains and trials will bring joy in the end. On the other hand, if we refuse the opportunity for character development, God's discipline, our lives begin to bear the contentious fruit of bitterness instead of the peaceable fruit of righteousness. As an earthly father disciplines his beloved son or daughter, so does our Heavenly Father. Then will become more valuable and mature Christians, bearing the fruits of righteousness. Under God's chastening, you and I will become His children, fit to inherit the eternal kingdom He has prepared for those who totally submit their lives in His molding and leading. Once again, good morning and happy Sabbath, everyone. God bless.